Free me, man, my ear. Fire, yeah. My self, I see soon. I'm sorry, bye. Bringing some and coming photo and some mama to feel.
Apostle Prophet Amakwata, good morning, Papa. My few go hobby brave. Morning, Mama Mavis. Nansu krobi ani agenti manyanja paje bia ofio nemenyi ndumi mpani yeso project na funumio nansu mitimi komechibie mama beka obi maso Empire saying, Feco spray starch, you gotta look sharp. Let us form your partner for life. King City Real Estate, #1 destination for property buyers. Call them on 0508 199 American Premium Furniture. Work quality sales. Ambed Santa Fe Clinic. Allow Shafi God is the healer. Lily Sunflower Oil. Tasty food. Happy family. Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready? And Tabia Heba, make sure you're true and authentic Heba medicine. They are the proud sponsors of Napos on Napos. From Jason 7, I don't want 106.3. Be Empire Sense. How are you? I'm telling the full name. Eunice. Situade Charity. If you have a Gladys, Gladys. Coffee water to ding. Gladys. Eunice. Charity, dear baby, I'm born charity. Charity. Anna, Bacono, Elizabeth, and so ordinary a body dean, Elizabeth. Debbie Bacumino, Bacona, or near a ye. Queer champoma. Oh, Brofudi. A queer Brofudi, what is I'm says a comfort to Sabina. Debe Hibel. There be Christabel do be finding her. Only that's a comfort and Agnes. Maddie. Question to the George. George question. Mami kwa manasona afemene Honorable John saying as you do and Katia, the General Secretary of the NDC. And was General, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Na bibia boko de.
Nyamia dumu me hoye.
Mo. Yanso ye hoye. Enra nya nti se mo ka bedwakuo bi eboa no so mbeye adwuma bia mo patro nya abotre na kire ye. Bedwakuo no eye hwamwa adwuma ben na wo mo ba beye.
Yo me that's it. And every Drew say na ye for Congress titi committees ya. Congress no jumadie kasiye pa. Enti wo mu se party no your constitution actually say general secretary and na offer Congress no organize it. Nanso nim se ba akofo ntime nkyere bodamfo. Enu nti de tie bia bre no duru so saa no a na national secretariat no ya transfer na ya frefre nipa apa abadwakuo achiche Congress ya juma no ne de amoma saa abadwakuo no wo mo ebehwe ka asem ho ahan ka delegates no di be free wo mo kro mu aba meeting na se na wo mo asan akọ ewo asundwe mu wo mo kro wo ho wo mo a grounds committee a wo mo so behwe ba bia ye beye Congress na nkasa ho decorations emfidi a ye bekasa mu nkonya nipa betan so ne sitting arrangement na ade nyina na eno so any decorations ya ebe no bia no na eno ewo grounds committee for nsa na ya sa ape accreditation committee wo mo so na wo mo ebe hye nipa no so wo mo ebe ba no se wo ye delegate ana wo ye observer ne ade ene atumi kata wo di bewura dwumadie na ase ne ade nyina accreditation committee for ene beye ho adwuma na publicity committee wo mo ebe bo ho dawuro ne ade security committee eno so wo mo so a wo mo so behe se dwumadie ni beko so dojo a problem bia entima ne ade nti saa enyuma no ene e paw committees ne de ase wo mo nsa na tese wo mo ye obia koginje kwayo befa so aye na dwuma na akande a obehia ene kwayo a ye befa so ato na enim nyina wo mo de report e de abre National Congress Committee a memeda no na ye yahwemu ye gitumu a na fe ya makwan se omumfa nkonko ya adwuma enti ebedru Congress no na chese enema a SSA ye tutu no yie bia ansa na Congress na aba no na yatimi atoto nti saa na efa so eye Congress enunti saa abadwaku a National Congress Committee main one no ena subcommittees ya achiche nyuma na ma wo no eno na nura ye de tuja
Patwa yeti se na committees ne ba ko ho na nka pese kwekwan ndo ho be chess a committee no na meti se yese wo se oma ana
me patwa no kre
ba ne se
adwuma no se de meka no esi general secretary na so ena constitution say ye pe deputy general secretary omo adwuma ne se omo beboa general secretary na watimi aye na adwuma enunti ye o general secretary for mienu a ye de baako aye deputy in charge of finance and administration and ye de baako so aye for operations enti George Lawson and ye finance and administration enunti ubehwe committees no a the EFA office adwuma se secretariat ne saa nema no ni nyina ese George Lawson no otra mu bi na ocheya na omo office se adwuma no bekoso enti the EFA operation site se grounds committee nomne no so no eno so na ye de waku ani do so atoso se ono so be chairman no ahwese saa enyuma no nyina bekoso na wo mu wi a na ya kabum ede boa na chese enyuma na akoso enu nti anse ye point wi ya ye se wo mo nkyere letters ye science ye mfa nkoma wo mo no anse administration for no ma so te se kokunu ba o si onya kwai enye saa adwuma no na okoye ni campaign na eye Boapaya, ya said that person, ye di chino na otna office se unya kwa nkoye ni campaign. Enti report to am de ma me ne se ye bono a o se ontimi nya chairman no. Na emom obetena so de oye ordinary member ope. Ti omutimu aye no bre me nya me anim ni na me hu dwiri me pa. If say Tuma ukoye campaign say yem mount to asui. Na mpompo kura yemo abaso na be fu general secretary. Ni ye na dru sui congress ye main activity a general secretary. Asa se utimi ye. Na ye main ajuma wo ye na anye ye a election a eda ye nim no e che se wa se no. Enu nti se eno a wo pese uba be general secretary die no say as a deputy ye de no mu adwuma e ma o se kokoye na de no nye yi na say there be o kwa akoye campaign after vote no wo de ko hin se vote no nsa kan wo de ba be general secretary na general secretary adwuma no na ba de akira adwuma kwa na de ma o se wunya da je nyi enti me de na ha me pa
ono peri ni pa mo ma na
market ba bi se campaign no mu no edru ba bi o se me ma no fa ikora ma ni nya adwuma entina o pa adwuma ye ni ama obi a sen ye nan kansan boda wo entina ni se entina wo ma enim sa ade no committee no list no ba out a ye hu se me din wo committees be se na ya na se num so no na wo ma tia si dwom yanka so no kwa no achitira adwuma na abo ne bo mu bia anya bi so ti na ubisa mi ande wo no no ye emramu no committee no composition ma me fa kwanya so encheche mu kakra committees no composition no enya ba akofo adwuma se okotrati na wayi aka ho dabi nya sa na ye bebre wo mu a ejira ye mraso se general secretary and now oye secretary to the congress ono na free congress no into establish congress secretariat and it's automatically ono odi enibu and now congress planning committee overall congress planning committee no so no and also general secretary and sir enti what the main planning congress Wabra general secretary onye chairman of the congress planning committee enunti so let's animal neman bebre edu oha they say the main congress planning committee no party no one krapata ye wo parliament wo ye foreign branches wo ye council of elders na dia din nyina wo enti be ha ye yinipa mienu wo ha ne dia ka ho ye yibi wo ha ne dia ka ho ye yibi wo ha ne dia ka ho that be ya wo mu take decision that say eye obia nimu mati say bi no mo ka say ya ko fa nkokrafo adadafo ne ade council of elders no wo mo ye party no mu nkokrafo ne mrewafo it is a party in she ka say it's a council of elders ye yi mu nipa edi beka ho a ne tie bia de obeba be ya kokora na abrewa enya de a na atedu nkatia na akowe mu ase embabru wo ho no akoyi kokrafo ana abrewa enna ye wo external branches ya edru ho a wo nyina beba etoda bia flight arrangement enti kama wo beba bedru no ebi kura ni amuvu ko ekro na ye congress no entina oma bedru kwaya ombe faso ay arrangement aba benya womo accreditation tax kwaya ombe faso why they identify womo ni ande ade kra no womo awura congress ground ni ande ade no enti because I challenge it no that bia yes womo congress committee a ni apeni pa womo any womo din kita ho wo he list no so a wo be hu say Alex Egbefia oka ho why chairman external branches no be done to nipa no be free ana member ko so ka ho ono so ay organizer ono so nipa who accept branches. Or come then or hope for a purpose. There were former ambassador, no, so a woman. And no, Anna, as you know, Sabri, as I say, election, no far national executive, continue. The next most active organ of the party, no, a parliamentary caucus. And as you must say, parliamentary caucus, no, play key role. And to by 17-member Congress committee, no, a munipa by 9, MPs. MPs is so unipa the kind of one. Because social democratic party, gender balance, near the Edintino. Woman to me, member and free home, into 1 year, now, and mark a crack, into all these go into planning no any composition of Congress committees. No. And now, as I say, you're so careful to say, number of people at the committee, yeah, so the committee knows too much, yeah. As I say, Omunya quorum, and some of more to undertake any activity. And you call you committee back on any pabe 100 and then 50. Yes, Nipa 15 or high intermediate. And until all these considerations, you know, Ekomu, now you compose, yeah, they are called functional executive committee. Now, Mama approval and Sana, remember out to a bear now. So, and you want to say, the BBA Banamena media may announce it doesn't necessarily reflect my views and my personal views. It's a collective decision here. I take here. At times, I'm not spokesperson. You know, media announce.
Hello, General.
Matthew.
Maybe Sasa, as a Mitchell Casanina, would you need a very good working relation?
There were excellent working relations.
Tadden some woman a Jumano say on ye now, sir, or Casa Wakao baby, so say, woman a Jumani being here.
Because a fact to say, Wakano baby say, Minamama Juma, Anye. And I mean so be a media more bedi madansi biano. There be a metu to say my free crime. Over to say, I announcement say, General Secretary to cry. Na the other actually need Kokoni do. And no crank at the problem Kakra, Yaba, Mini George Lawson and Tem. Because now George Lawson, no, not some more, and say, or no, a general secretary 4 years. And Sana Kwakuno Eba Bay, that why deputy general secretary 4 years, and Sana Kwakuno Eba. And until a seniority womb, and to me took I or non as a major match at Dima. And I'm saying a constitution, the BBA Nimusa, na me ko, na se, Medimachi Eja, Mena Michu Sunipa, Medimachi Ejan. And I am one said, me continue, but this the campaign platforms, we did to say, men, a member, a Jumanya, Makana, Shemea, Dadeno, because any facts, you know, a boy brand. And I feel so, no, I expected, say, that's deputy in charge of operations. During Congress, any Juma obey and no crab campaign at the Amano. Say, Yankee, Juma soon to Abaman. I don't think I had the Juma action and I make us a mere extremely surprised to say, a Juma no dear was so on yet, number one campaign, because I mean, because campaign, no, you have to abandon what the Yajman. Say, you know, because bet me. Now, you are not that house who Jayabu, what was a campaign. Now, for a campaign near Casse, ya, Tuamawa, then the edition, I know Jumalia. And then I meant to say, I make up once. There is nothing like, you know, a bad working relationship.
Mammy Musa, yeah, free partners, and some back one.
I cannot talk for him. From my side, I mean, who say it's the hour.
Yo, yeah, Mbran Samba Kwanam, you know, be a teacher go away, and a pay ufa, Daily Guide, Chronicle, and few of other newspapers, and some yet Professor Dia, Ajba, former Auditor General, no Chester Forensic Audit to be a Acosono, CEOs now. muyi wo mono boss free zones and then can for no sika ne say the adwan de o ma blow ni nyina menim sa no pe what is ansam na
me no ka say me wo ayo northern part of Volta region but the ayeti uti region tia ye kire no enti the consensus bi ko to electoral commission anim enti abase ba behwe se ensemo e dia akoto omo anim no se enko yi no omo akrakra mu ana se omo akrakra mu nti enro ayeye demediti Congress committee mu yi ya na anaje no mu si mu esi ame no kasai enkwandi enunti mintimi hu niema aba newspapers mu asa na me sori ya na ufremi enti metimi ama comment ya ebe based on the wo ato aso akire mi enti se me comment no ankofa yi ana chese wo su na dia asem no wa mo no tofa yi anchire mi don't ya there go o ka se professor Ajimandia say anadi Ajimai say obi triso maybe anya sa no ka no na me so me ko ka say
report me pesa me fa newspapers ni na dey akeka bom but wo fa chronicler or say forensic audit commissioned by cabinet to look into the operations of the various state corporations and enterprises has revealed massive looting of a national kitty running into several millions in both dollars and cedis. A simple calculation done by the Chronicle has revealed that close to $300 million and the CD component of almost 1 billion have been misappropriated by the chief executives of these state enterprises under the immediate past National Democratic Congress government. The forensic audit report signed by Professor Edward Duya Ajman, Secretary to the Investigative Committee, and dated 31st August 2018, mentioned the former Chief Executive Officer of the Microfinance and Small Loans Center, MASLOC, Mrs. Sedenam Tamaklo Atienu, Mr. Kojo Chumboafo, former CEO of Free Zones Board, Mr. Kinsley Kwame Ewuadakum, former Managing Director of Bulk Oil Storage and Transportation, as some of the officers who have misappropriated various sums of money belonging to the state running into over 800 million Ghana cedis.
A bit difficult to say. Me no be this uncommon. Unimbenza.
Joe Katreme.
Chronicle Koya any Daily Guide. No minimum say about Chronicle Daily Guide so much. Yet your man na umbeka say Obi atam 400 million. Ako alutu Africa board accounts mu $400 million. Ena amam for this why and na control. Actually Cocoa board can sem ko wie court no. Omo say omo kan no ba bia say obi afa 400 million. Enunti besine tesa newspapers nunya ebo yesire muka femu se new abai enebo ni sire muka sa asem no yenim enti obia uka bibia sa abre no du atembia no dada wama ebia wakoye boni atia innocent persons yeta so bie mu nso no Dr. Duya Ajimai no amoka ne ho asem no unim se me no wa asem wo court be se mfie dunu atikre ne se oye nipa President Kufuor baaye no akona hu migire mu as Auditor General anu adisi 63 years o te chinchira ji so no eno dokwa akofa no amana beye Auditor General into akofa no baaye no me de ho asem court to say papa no constitution man ho kwan say o meye Auditor General enunti no court in can be money nanka akatia oji for all those years ya okoye acting Auditor General no abaisika nti yenyin free ni ho nempamu na tatem adeno ba no yehu se oye tool President Kufuor peso use no so by auditor general eti ho eno apam no akofa biadema wako na humidie mu de na ba beye acting auditor general e kan acting e say tem bia ban bia obetime apam wo so ne eti bra bia ban no proceed na ba bia wadi ska bia watimi atimi ati obuaka over there aka eno tin tia na imo obetra so nyina no e de no ba se o meye agenda ntimi enye me won wa se President Kufuor beba no akofa obi otisa say ono ye so called forensic auditor say onko ye adwuma no mfa mechire Ghana fo enintime ade audit asem we say ntino say no kura say dia adwuma no akoye audit bia ne audit bia ni ho a obeye no efa aban we ho anase aban atwam ho a me meje atum because I a political tool, I will you empty before you soon, and I will go so you soon. I don't see, Mestre say, minty mina or don't know a so. And may come home and the end say a month for you. Now the American say, Sabai no who say, Obia di Bonia, Unimba di Ayadi Asemnoko. It's one fanco on the engine who dear, what di Bonini dear, what di papa.
Watch away, dear. Mijidi said the petrol I could drew the baby a dollar quay mate.
Sansana me baby drew, the mentee a cratem to petrol and Sana me ba. And Sana meets me about and Tiano de Damani. Na a bread yamaka cranty a bear because more registration centers. Inti ka Yadibesi Hana Matiniana quite acquired in Chamibaha.
All right then. Medas. I said, you can tell General Secretary, the National Democratic Congress, and that is a Menino, Ebo, and Komono. Obi Abidru, Sasuna, Bayu, and so Bayu Yanko.
Ayo, abusha for yen to us another bonkata, naposo, yemfa emremuna, and nedie, and someone a captain, Nadia Shasiano, and Penfo would be abetuto to ja. One more a chilemo say a dear Jumasha once, no, you may show ye, yes, 1 year yet, caneno to an answer somewhere we are say, and some me 2 years say, ye do, sang ye do, me the 1 you, the one moso. Ya the chronicle and a Shasier. Now, chronicle and Nimono, and ne. Nipa mi ensamfonyi ene da ha sei sa nipa wadi posu ewo mayimu wonu mu ayesi wo suda ni ase cabinet forensic audit yo maye 2018 de ya abeto dwa no eda na dipa fe se si wo sumi ensa ya wo mfonyi da he no wo kan nipa bi ho ena wadwuma ye de hye won se sisika no ware ka hye ebi so no say ye to aban eniema emra kwan so e woso wo fa na ba dwedie yesi wonu mani so say nipa wodi e ba ye pani enakura na mahu so wa abrofidio da bi ni din no meti ana che say ya boy wiada akoni atwa so epen ni din no Kingsley Kwame awiada akon ebibi atwa mu boss adwumakuo no pani na no oda no Kingsley ne menteda
asan ko fonti units ne da no
ya asem na kan say ewu se dini e obi e de sha adakam ni dini e sha adakam Kingsley no na aba no ni ase papa na dwuma ya aboye ye sikasem eniema ankoye na abotwe ni e age ba bia na da ubonkratai wode aba betudwa ye maami owura ye sedinam tamakro atiomu won so masloga no na no oda won de kai ho nsensem kura na omoda so twe ho man so a DPRT for kai omo so omo mpene ho nsensem ne bo adin nyina no ka ne charge ho won so da ha kwadwotwe mbuafo won so free zones board pania no so oda no ye so nso sika ni bia fa ne nsase edini di omaboba bebre na wa say ntu de ne kona kwoto chronicle na hwe na ewada kunwom obia wunim no abehunim fonyi no ewo honomo
enra me tie we na a forensic auditor na say there
mame we ne say cabinet forensic audit report 2018
cabinet by the secretary of the investigative committee
exactly
Professor
Edward Ajimain Gia
Okay, well then that will be
And then to direct response to a question, no, said a cabinet committee responsible for the coordination of investigations and a forensic audit. Where a report nankasano, the Chronicle story curled from report nankasano good. It is a the Free Office of the Senior Minister, a report of the committee responsible for the coordination of investigations / forensic audit for the period ended 30th June 2018. And say, okay, the first 3 way now, a kawa say introduction. This report for the first 6 months of 2018 provides the following: 1. Progress on forensic audit awarded to private auditors. 2. Number of audits completed and submitted. 3. Significant findings in the report. 4. Report on UNDP collaboration and financial and technical support. And 5. Request for official vehicle for the secretary to the committee. Into when a what report now, if you read into detail, number of audit completed and submitted to the Economic and Organized Crime Office and to the committee now will come to our seminar. In the case, the following audit have been completed and reports submitted to the IOCO and the committee. So, OSHA for every company, state institution, now our private auditors or way auditing. For example, Ghana National Gas Company auditors near Morrison and Associates, Microfinance and Small Loans Committee, MASLOC. Auditors near Bafwe and Associates. Ghana Free Zones Board. Auditors near Worldwide Investment Company Limited. And a Bulk Oil Storage and Transportation Limited, BOST. Auditors near Deloitte and Touche, a member of the Big Four, said the Oba Ghana Standards Authority. Auditors also a Deloitte and Touche. And a Ghana Technology University College, Tesano, Accra. Auditors near SWQ Consult into companies when a year audit in each of these somebody report number committee, and a committee and so a release statement signed. We'll share this particular statement, a Free Senior Minister Office now. It's signed by Kent Mensah, Managing Director of Fix It Company Limited.
It's IOCO.
Yeah.
It's a reinvestigation.
I think say or more as submit your data, you kind of saying report where the aqua IOCO. What it means, they say IOCO, so maybe a cross check
and that
may confirm it.
When we say something is a forensic audit, what else is left? Minim, I am asking.
Yeah.
Minim bibusa. Say a kase. Some institutions in I report on Muda.
Yeah.
A word acquire reports that the last year in the Babonting. And the Yasa acquire forensic audit.
Yeah.
After forensic audit, what is next?
Now, first, you know, investigations. First one, of course, for Wada Kono. Obi program, so near babies, I say, Eco C saying, Akosi say, winning cutting. A baby by, you know, a 3 day one, a bronya shas, yes, a word the kai. As someone penning for catcher and say, 1 year, Afaka ni be a biano, yet your mobile famra quaso.
I can't eat me.
Kan ya jisen himfo ne ehu se bi wo mo ho kwa ba so ne ade o mafa maami we kateme ba wo maami said nam tamakule no enye nne na nasem beto odwase maami no wadi sika na dwuma wa anye ne yie twumbu afode enne awuada konsam wa na yeguso kan no ni nyina akwa akwosisen wonim ye pese sa akatahye ne price ye tu ase anim ne ebeye sa bayi tumi ye bold na wo de so se ne nkrofo kra na wonche woni a wo bie na wachi abanda danim say we di sika bi the next government but should be making sure so be di sika we mu a wo be chinya sa ebe ya scratch your back you scratch my back we ba wonchi obia nti so ba manchime enu na mma ye ntumi ntukro no bono ase no
na hima
me feel say kwia wo
the bia ni e kan ni abekan and forensic audit and the saying.
But my question is say after forensic audit what is next?
Okay, into
no.
Maybe IOCO nso or more mandate. And they say, what does the law say?
Then it is not
forensic. Now I say,
then it is not forensic. Then it is not forensic audit.
Maybe
because auditing a be real forensics. audit na you are seeing a PIM forensics. See, I can say I have forensic audit on Captain Smarter. Captain Hands na tight. See, I catch us where we are.
Yeah.
Won't be to whom free.
Captain America say, "Ebia the terms of reference of our committee, we know. Eka say after they supervise the forensic audit, no, and was so hand over report to Iyoko. And only idea maybe also find it out. Near say, within the mandate of Iyoko, say forensic audit be say ba still I was say about one no most young way you maybe ebia in collaboration with the Attorney General's department near there. Then we can know. And yes, I the Ebeka Biano.
Auditor General report to Krano. Parliamentary Select Committee on Public Accounts at NASI. Yeah, the Attorney General.
Absolutely.
We attract just audit no.
I have forensic
audit. Yes, sir. Yeah. With him, a calculated attempt by the politician to always make sure corruption will be the most thriving business. Politicians, both NDC and MPP, Shadaya no more said about corruption because
with the special prosecutor anyway you know.
Forget it.
No, me worry and they say
reporter ba. Say Captain Smart, wa kwatna bust. Wa fa 40 million Ghana cedis.
Yes.
E dia kwoto account bi. Account na yesi ye dia scanner kwotum no. Account na wodin. Ye bia my particular office bi.
Yes.
Ye bia ma kwasuchum office. Ya kwasha account na Captain.
No example.
Example keke. Just on some Captain Smart account no be ye ma kwasuchum cooperative for no. Cooperative for no ho kwasuchum wo ho. Sika so under account nim. But me na yekuta mu.
Yeah.
Kwasuchum na ye bi account no ma no wo ho
bia.
Eni ase achi wa no wa kire se mukodie ma we.
Account where do you know?
Chief of Staff
Sundry's account.
Now, one nipa no anka say kita no munu onim say nyi no ano so de en wo yafa ho.
No, but ye nim so for now. Say ebia behind the scenes no. Ya ton sa free chief of staff na say en to something na obi anim. Captain de me worry we nyina mu ne say ye obi a friend news fatigue. Un say de bia no for newspaper.
Ma me wie we na wa ba news fatigue no so na me ne opening kwaku eje nyame che. O ye chartered accountant to betimi aboa ye pa. Eje nyame che o me nka ma che.
Mejoso.
Oh, here baby aboko de.
Nyame adum na wonso e.
Nyame adu wudin ya me dedodo. Ebisha ya kasa bibi ya forensic auditor ye den ya.
Okay. On say ya share auditor adwuma no mu a ye wo annual auditor ye any interim audit. Ye ten bia. Beba forensic na say ya dwen sesi kadie bia na bibia koso ya de bone. Ana auditors ni hwehwem. And as an auditor no hwehwem na o findings ni ba wia. Essentially a report to shareholders no. Ebe court because forensic audit the we court ama auditor na could defend it. Ama the findings ni fa no ho no so no. Wa ba begina ho ayina no e won nsem bi ho. Na kwasi emra no na atenti say Iyoko because the chief of staff why initiate forensic audit into certain areas our external auditors like Deloitte, Deloitte will have the capacity to be in court to defend the findings of my finding about those people, no adverse findings, no. Let's say my committee truly not court to find no more guilty. Then that the court will decide. But Iyoko, let's academy from Iyoko and said you want straight away. Because they have auditors there.
Me tell we there na chese nka forensic audit dey nka si.
I no. Me na me call forensic audit. You get who say be in cost you. Yes, suspect corruption be cost. And it's can be cost. Na fa auditor say forensic audit. You who say yampa. See me as an auditor, I have to be in court. I may defend it. And the court can cost my working papers. And but evidence and regional to get this and promote discovery and our mind do we.
Abusha, what shares our process I na your family because mamim bia ni kakra. Say akasa ye audit obia. The minim say auditor na all ye no. Or ye the findings ni na ria. Obama obi copy say ade ama finding about you na anya sa de
tie.
Mo na
ye gusu aye ye kura no. The BB and Toya Sumuya, ye bebusound. ba ya yu anya mo e pa bia ma ya wie kura ne be fa mawo report say we ni ya hu a enko yi etia nu ye be na wo na wanu ye na anto yatuma then ya findings ya give you opinion on it.
Enti na chese se me yenim ne de wa kan na chese audit na ye no wan kasa na ye audit no you are part of the process.
Auditor bia no wa ko company mo fa figures de ko. What you say?
Matias
your company figures and your code and your books. And in your bar, ye, son, so when you have the tone, one have my books, no. I'll be kind of him. And you are part of it.
And they pay your man a copy. What kind of the response call? Every auditors and superhitchery at the Fofraco and say a complete report about was a audit report. Nini a banis area na kadaya young choir process at the fight corruption. I yet tin
a private company now. Omuya forensic audit na ya indicted officer so that we a court. And all the time we try to be a dance at the same and who ye as a court with national finally guilty.
What shall a process I way a bano ye audit books are hold one near there and yet too cumbersome about what the fight against corruption.
Yeah, the thing because all the time we report that 2 years who Yampuno go court could not prosecute. Emma General, the Cono Auditor General could defend the crown. Yeah, you are not called down your public accounts committee near Casacaston. I don't know man a question because I don't know when to have no private company. Some of my private company now the suspension of being Kui. No matter how the from about the two. You some Pacific, dear Biacosua. So that way, my report a due quarter all the times about you. When now who's Nipana now yet also be defended. Now court may decide.
Ejame das na ye pe nchechemu kakrese na wodi amay ye das pa. So Obi, you see, I was asking after forensic audit.
Recycling
yeah. This man no the clarity about. But there was still I find out and they say and probably was a committee members never catch why the report to Iyoko. Adentia. Me no Iyoko ye. Yeah, omo investigative. Asa
Iyoko need to me or the obi court.
Yes.
And it's the report is come Iyoko. The actually say sign
to confirm the auditors no ayen and answer you know those are some of the questions but una na make be about news fatigue. Now Akua made a good point say Abaiwe Ebaye no Uba exposes of corruption in the media. Bebre edum rebi amanfo beka say and ayate abre de bia say ya
media for kra ye kan ko bi ye ho be ye hi de bia eba ne ya beka.
I think that was a go because captain say me kind sa report we now we even under Ghana National Gas Company procurement era and to start with, you know, from the forensic audit reports observations, the offenses discovered include 1. Breach of the provisions of the Public Procurement Act 2003, Act 663, and the Public Procurement Amendment Act 2016, Act 914, such as inflation of contract sums and non-performance of contract. Others include non-enforcement and breach of contract.
Professor Kwasibo Chedi and your chair.
What do you breach? Breach in Ukraine. The end so source. No, according to so source. The bomb woman. I said, okay, baby, a bomb. Inflation can
inflation of inflation of contract sums.
Here.
And non-performance of contract. This is quite serious. Because okay, Ghana Gas Company. Then I say. Procurement irregularities, helicopters purchased from China National Aero Technology and Export Corporation, and almost say have never been used for purpose of purchase. Costing financial $54 million.
National ambulance. You call Ghana Gas.
Yes.
Now you go through solicitors. Ambulance. Is it Ghana in ambulance in 15? Kadunu. And a year, Juma. 15 ambulances.
15. 1-5.
In a year, Juma. Will be Pombe dispute. Yakoya, no.
Yes.
That Ghana Gas for planning and says, helicopters. Come by my back. na and one started
airlifting call for
ambulance.
Okay.
Information you say Ghana Air Force for call ne 2 your friend to be into.
Maybe unim Ekawa House say equipment for the helicopters were not delivered, even though it was part of the contract price. 85.9
million. This is irrelevant. Why would say helicopter then too?
What have we done?
Sir, President, it mean my year or die. I'm yet to question airport.
Yes.
What is the president waiting for?
Because audited board members Mr. Eric Yanka, member, Thomas Menu, Valerie Soya.
One for Ghana, one city.
Dabi. And your comment will make you on a video.
Commenter, Obiena no Jada no red video, Cosiento Jada no. One for Ghana, Peswa. President, your order. I'm yet in airport.
And we know a forensic audit has proven.
Forensic audit has proven President Fede. What is the president waiting for?
Abushaya the dispatcher na
No, hold on. Captain. No, Patrol. Look, this is a very serious matter.
Very.
We are looking at 1 billion. What we are talking about, and yet 2 million Ghana cedis. 1 billion Ghana cedis.
Nasa ba kun weyi. Say do so.
Nasa ba kun.
Anya ba kun weyi.
Mema.
Ni problem ne say. Ni ye kan ye no. Di action ben na mpanimfo ateki captain.
Obi enemy enewo.
Ye ni sa to me no.
Ye tumi e wo ina say. Mr. King wa fa Ghana ska. Na ya kan ye wi na ekọ.
And when anya bosremuka we nya forensic audit.
Enti say president wo ho. No one a commission sa team ni say one year investigation. Team na investigation da wie. Ye ne koma yo kwa kwagire. Look, one person kata so.
Na enya na make sure say scratch your back, you scratch my back no.
Oh, you see
that's a speculative analysis.
So why you Ghana mpanifo say they will not work. Me say one person kata so.
The point we as we sit here, anybody the contrary report na go. You need to make the conclusions of from kata.
I will tell you on authority. Say one person kata so. I am saying it's FM Captain Smart. We see say kata so.
Ebia badada. Enu no bien hu baby a ekosi no. Enu nti ne ye kan say we so.
Kwesi Antachi.
Me am a we don't have to
Kwesi Antachi
and go
no me no to of Ghana one city.
Dabi.
Odwananum. Yes, wa kasa be take over Ghana. Say president Tishane Boto.
Kwesi Antachi asa be court. So Odwananum no support no be capital.
Your man so your man order. But we ya forensic audit. Ya take room hey Iyoko on fa nipa court. Iyoko ya investigation. Enti ye say sika ye dim say adwuma na nkrofo ne ye be sa abo akire na Iyoko de na be ye papa. Ye say Ghana sika e the fa private auditors ekoye adwuma no wie ya sa de akoma Iyoko. Iyoko ba hwe sankrata over 500 na here pages be wie no. I'm telling you, near 2019 June.
Yeah, campaign.
Na ye koye campaign. We ba start so ye prosecution ye be catch so ye kwato abenti. Ghana ne ye wono. By now the president must have ordered the arrest of these people, if indeed the report is genuine.
Abusha fa dispatch into us na dispatch anim no. Ema wo Ghana nyina mu wo hanche mu aduowotwe. Yes, family planning na yabo ho dawura agba na monye family planning awo mu ntitimu ye nchiche mu ne nkoye no. Yes, ma 80% enye. Captain Tiway, Sawa would or radio soon walk as I see your papa or gentry. What way? There be or the Yabewo, your family planning. Just say,
woman, your family planning.
Me. What's an American and I know the media saying?
Media Miss Mewo 10. Who your family plan?
I pay what you are saying. No, Brokra, not the number 20.
Who your family plan? Media Mewo 10.
No, Captain, I was saying, we are huge for a country like Ghana. I grow by 2.5%.
And also
too much.
Sir,
too much.
I'm telling you, too much.
And that's why you don't. Show your growth rate. Annual growth rate. Too much for a country like Ghana.
What do
I don't know what's a man for say
the captain came I mean first story went to us yes here the was so
yenya ka ye beto ya bewo the oil anya hin simple China eto was ano once China can say nke be ya nka man kura man wo bio China on population in echi do o matwade anim
Abusha captain asemu a wo kan no wo a wo petie na mmom report so ni enti so tie na wo bedi na chi a yes nipa 8.2% here wo Ghana they are extremely poor extremely poor very very poor
a poor leadership
sir okay ni enti enchemu
perspective
a poor leadership
enchemu ni se emfa ho ne ntoto ya aban mpanimfo ne aban ya abatwa mu ye senka ye betu hiase anase woni e wo sika wo mayimu ene woni ya hia wo kaga beda wo ntem ye be bridge no yesesa wo ko ba bi te se northern regional e wonu mu de hia no afekura ne mu ayere upper west yesi what the ayiri dendenden upper east ka ho niema nkoye the whole northern region enkoye woni e wo savannah areas no so no enkoye mabon na se nipa hia no report ni oye enchichemu ode ba ye obi o sin efia ehia wo pa ye omu a the head of the family oye farmer. Oh, can you believe this?
Well, so we
the head of the family or your farmer.
Answer
ni to so mienu a ehia won eyomu edidwa. 2 second or more edi hono no. Na say ye ka say agriculture the backbone of Ghana economy no. Ye say ni pa wo mu dokua e na ehi omo pa e wo mayimu. Eti near a quimpen for can say, yes, your strategy, quanya, your fast walk, yes, see you 2 years, no, on so be a number, pine and I'm swanning yet, yen changing no, see, I'm changing the air, and you here,
so we share that same report. A woman say 2016-2017, NIPA 6.8 million. Could not afford to spend 4 Ghana cedis, 82 pesos a day.
Oh, that's last year, 2 cedis.
And or say, the report also notes that 2.4 million people could not afford to spend 2 Ghana cedis 69 pesos per day in 2016-2017 on food. Food. 2 cedis.
I won't try.
Eka factors no because growth rate here 2.5% a year.
We have the most laziest leaders ever. After Kwame Nkrumah time, we've had lazy leaders. When you have over $3 billion sitting in the coffers of people's accounts, free, where we are now, you are telling me people are poor. Obi, they want to tell me people are poor, and you have $3 billion sitting in individuals' accounts, so where we are Saskano. Yeah.
Yeah, they
are telling me people are poor. Computer 20,600, and so German fact on 43,000, and you are telling me people are poor. Bad leadership. Everything is leadership, the rest are effects.
Nanu abushia for someone who say Burkina Faso mampena ba Ghana say wobaye yase amano de yabaso body ya de bi atwa mu say order of the voter of the friendship of the universe of the voter of the friendship of the universe ni de ama papa ni waje ni wokro won so bi nhia ma na fa ya ni o ehia yiri ya
na do musa bi last batch
na send and yes any clear state of emergency no
ya man award we
yes any clear state of emergency
award ni na no sere me hu say papa na sere okoya no go bi esu no.
The one crata say near Tushumiansa, Burkina Faso man penning for be bagidam no. I must say, Nipa 18 and a free mo. Nipa 18 and a pimney a chile or munya babintina, I will not in region, I see, and yan. They say, this in baby cran or so, yase, and yet. It's a paniba, who security analyst, Rabona, and what the other 2 just send many ya buying only clear state of emergency because of Nigeria, a bit says, Wahonomo, ya declare, Etigana, see, 18 now, so be sabe come one, and Nadia send Yama beko ye Samampani, she more name and penny, or Moka Bagridam, no one something
useful. Not a nipa
18.
I won't have many pineapple.
Nipa 18 and a capital
population control. I don't 106.3.
sika pay ya enti sa wo dwene ho bebiado sika beto aye better investment now for we your customer yetimi ahwe wo ye dia eno ne SIC life savings alone bebi obenya bisia